Step 1. Open your favorite browser and go to the official Arduino website. The link are provided in the description. Go to Downloads section and click on it. Download Windows Win 10 and newer, 64 bits. Click on Just Download. Click on Just Download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded setup file, typically named Arduino Windows.exe. Step 2, and double-click on it to run it. Read through the license agreement and click on I agree to proceed. Set as all users, click on the Next. Select the desired location on your computer where you want to install the Arduino IDE. The default location is usually in the Program folder. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click on the Finish button to close the wizard. Check Run Arduino IDE to start immediately. Step 3. In your Arduino IDE, go to File, Preferences. Enter the links are provided in the description into their Additional Boards Manager URLs field as shown in the figure below. Then, click their OK button, open the Boards Manager. Right side this Boards Manager. Search for ESP8266 and press Install button for the ESP8266 by ESP8266 community. That's it. It should be installed after a few seconds. Step 4. Start by downloading the CP210X USB drivers from the official website. The link are provided in the description. If you are on a Windows PC, you need to download the CP210X Windows drivers folder highlighted in the image below. After downloading the CP210X Windows drivers, right-click the folder and unzip the installation files. Open the unzipped folder and double-click the CP210X VCP installer _x64.exe file to start the installation process. Follow the installation wizard, click the Next button, and agree with the terms of use to complete the installation process. Click on I accept agreement, click on Next. The CP210X USB drivers have been installed successfully. Testing the CP210X USB drivers. Click the search bar. Search for Device Manager and open the control panel. Having an ESP32, ESP8266 board connected to your Windows PC with a USB cable, under the Ports section you should see a device, Silicon Labs CP210X USB to UART bridge, COM5, or with a different COM port number. To program the ESP32, ESP8266 board with Arduino IDE, remember the COM port number, in our case it's 5, COM5.